It's a 2015 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This C-Class is ready and waiting to reward you with finely tuned responses no matter which road you choose. Standard agility control suspension allows you to recalibrate to the road surface for a smoother ride. Attention assist will keep your attention where it needs to be. And with adaptive braking technology for a quicker response, you'll feel safe and secure racing around every corner. You'll love the extra-large panorama sunroof, Harman Kardon sound system, and M-Brace technology.
Your favorite music has never sounded better thanks to the premium sound system. Get comfortable with the touch of a button thanks to the memory seats. Control the road with all-wheel drive.
Poised for performance. Come take this C-Class for a spin today.
At Mercedes-Benz of Hagerstown, experience uptown luxury, hometown service. Come see us today. We are conveniently located at 1955 Dual Highway in Hagerstown, Maryland.